Ever wondered why some guys effortlessly steal a girl's heart while you're stuck in the friend zone? Stick around. I'm revealing dark psychology tricks that flip the script. Imagine this. You're texting her non-stop, but she ghosts you. Sound familiar? That's because neediness kills attraction. Today, we'll fix that with forbidden mind games. First tip, mirroring. Subtly copy her body language, like crossing your arms when she does. Why? It builds instant rapport subconsciously. Feels like soulmates, right? But don't overdo it or she'll catch on. Question for you. Ever felt that electric spark on a first date? That's chemistry. Or is it engineered? Next, the push-pull technique. Compliment her genuinely, then tease lightly. You're stunning, but that laugh is kind of goofy in a cute way. Creates emotional roller coaster. She chases the high. Remember chasing that one crush who played hard to get? You were hooked. Now you're in control. But what if she pulls away? Hold on, tip 3 fixes that. Scarcity principle. Don't be always available. Skip a text, delay replies. Humans crave what's rare. Like limited edition sneakers, she'll want you more. Ever been ignored and suddenly obsessed? That's dark psych at work. Use it wisely. These work because they tap primal instincts, but respect boundaries, guys. Consent is king. Tip 4, social proof. Casually mention other girls interested. My friend keeps setting me up. Sparks jealousy, boosts your value. She thinks he's in demand. Visualize this. You're at a party. She sees girls glancing your way. Boom, you're the prize. One more killer move coming up. Don't swipe away. Final tip, anchoring emotions. Share a vulnerable story early. Link it to her. This reminds me of my tough breakup. Makes me appreciate real connections like ours. She feels special, bonds deep. These aren't tricks to manipulate. They're tools to understand female psychology and build real confidence. You've made it this far because you want that edge in dating. If these dark tips just leveled up your game, smash that subscribe button now. Turn on notifications. Next video drops mind hacks to never get rejected again. Let's win together. What's your biggest dating struggle? Comment below.